Lean manufacturing is of great interest to manufacturers throughout the world. Companies of all sizes are applying lean principles and are realizing dramatic improvements in quality, productivity, customer service, and profitability. But what is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a production philosophy, a way of mapping the overall manufacturing process from raw material to finished goods all the way to the customer. It is called lean because these principles help a manufacturer to produce more with less time, less inventory, less capital, and fewer resources. Lean accomplishes this by highlighting what needs to be changed to streamline the overall production process.
The core philosophy is focusing on continuous flow of materials from raw material all the way to the customer, and eliminating anything that gets in the way of doing that. And anything that gets in the way of doing that is waste.
There is a common misconception that lean manufacturing only works in large, high-volume, repetitive manufacturing companies. The truth is, lean manufacturing has been successful in many industries. The principles apply in both small and large manufacturing companies. This is welcome news since more than 96% of all manufacturing companies have fewer than 250 employees. To further explain this, let's look at the total manufacturing effort required to produce an item. In most production cycles, only a small amount of time is spent adding value to a product, something that is meaningful in the eyes of the customer. Most manufacturing effort is spent on activities that do not add value to the product and are not required by the process or by the customer. This is non-value-added activity. When a manufacturer wants to increase production output, it is common practice to simply plan more of everything, hire more employees, buy more equipment, or build additional factory space. While this results in more value-added activity and higher output, it also results in more non-value-added activity. Lean manufacturing takes a different approach. In lean manufacturing, the production output, or value-added activity, expands as non-value-added activity is reduced. The operation is still the same size. Additional employees are not hired. New equipment is not purchased. People are not working harder or faster. The lean manufacturing approach is to redirect non-value-added activity into value-added activity.